Child. There's been a lot of chatter about stock market crashing, a whole lot of fear mongering, probably some panic selling. The tea is hot. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, friends. How you doing? How you been? If you're new to me, hey, girl, hey. My name is Malika. I am a stock market investor and I'm a money coach. Prior to becoming a money coach, I was a single mom on welfare for almost 10 years. But everything, my whole life changed when I discovered the power of investing in the stock market. Through years of learning how to navigate the stock market and making some strategic investment decisions, I achieved financial freedom and retired early at 47. I've been an investor now for over 20 years, so I've seen quite a bit of volatility and I've seen several crashes and dozens of corrections. But now I'm on a mission to help other women learn how to invest for their financial freedom too. So if that is of interest to you, go on and tap that subscribe button down there. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video or go live. So welcome, new friends. Welcome, welcome, welcome. The U.S. has experienced 3 major crashes in the past 20 years. And in this video, I'm going to tell you a little bit about each of the crashes and in those 20 years, my lessons learned. Number 1, the 2008 financial crisis. This was the worst crash since the Great Depression. The S&P fell by 57%. The second major stock market crash was the 2020 COVID-19 crash. It was one of the fastest crashes in the U.S. stock market history. The S&P 500 fell 34% in just a few weeks. And the third major crash that we've experienced in the past 20 years is the 2022 bear market. The S&P fell 25%. So when you panic sell, you're losing twice. Number 1, you're locking in your losses. And number 2, you're going to miss out on a rebound because you're going to be too afraid to get back in. Panic selling locks in losses, and it makes it harder to re-enter the market because once you've made that loss permanent, you're going to be angry, you're going to be emotional, you're going to be so upset with yourself, you're going to have so many regrets, you're going to be thinking about how long it took you to make all of that money you just lost. So when the market starts rebounding, you're going to be holding on to your money so tight, you're not going to want to re-enter. You will be too afraid to re-enter. I cannot tell you how many clients I have had in, I would say, the past 2 or 3 years that's still sitting on cash because they locked in their losses from the 2008 financial crisis. Before I can help coach you to rebuild your portfolio, when you come to me afraid, I have to help you overcome those fears first. Before we can get into the dollars and cents, we have to talk about the emotions first. So, panic selling locks in losses, and it makes it harder to re-enter. The last 2 things I want you to take away. Long-term investors who stay the course always recover. And the last and final takeaway, which is the most important, buying during crashes leads to huge gains in the recovery. And this, my friends, is what they mean when they talk about a wealth transfer. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Let's talk about it.